Hey, hello, guy. How's it going again? This is a CTC trying to show you another uh, problem that we had with the Volvo 2010 d13. The turn signal switch broke, and this is how it looks. So we're trying to do our own jobs, and hopefully you guys, if you have this problem, you could fix it yourself instead of taking it to the dealer. The dealer, this part, which is this one right here, we got a used one, and this one usually costs like about 200 or so with taxes and everything. And just to kind of let you know, this is the part number right here, 2079 78 38, and just basically a couple screws and a plug, a harness, just to show you guys how easy it is. So this is the one that we're gonna switch to, the one that's broken. Look at how it broke. I guess the driver, I guess he's a strong man, and kind of did a little harder than what he was supposed to, and it broke the what is it, it's not metal, is that other one, aluminum or something like that. So this one broke, and we're gonna replace it. So you need, of course, the tools and the what is it, the stars. And so we're gonna start doing that. So first we're gonna take out there's 3 screws right here in the bottom. And we're gonna check, see which one is it. Is this one, which is what size is it? T20W. Remember to use Snap-on. Those guys are good. They got some good tools. So we start taking this part from the bottom so we could open up and check out the screws from the inside. There's 3 screws right here, and then I think we have like 2 screws in the inside to take out that switch. Pretty easy. I'm using just I'm not using power tools, so you guys could kind of hear me. And this is a tractor that we are working on today, a semi tractor. Here we go. So this is the side that we're gonna switch. There's a plug down here which we're gonna disconnect. I want you guys to see it. So there's a plug right here, this green one right here, that we're gonna disconnect. And then there's 2 screws, one right here and one on the other side. If you see on the inside there, there's another screw in there. So, and that's basically it. It's pretty easy to take it off. Just to show you guys a little bit. Bam. Plug out. So this is the one that we're gonna replace it with. Got 2 screws. Yeah, right here towards the back is a little harder, but it's not nothing you could do cannot do yourself. So just to kind of show you guys. There we go. And then tie them up. So we plug it in, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna try it out before we put the cover and everything, just to make sure everything works. So we were able to so what we're gonna do is just do the left, do the right. There we go. I was waiting for the little noise. So it's working just fine. Pretty cool. Pretty cool. So after that, we're just gonna put this cover back. Put this cover back. Thanks for all the comments you guys been leaving on my other videos. I appreciate it. I know it takes me a little longer to put other stuff, but sometimes I gotta get a good camera and get all those modifieds to be able to show you more of my stuff that I do. So just be, and if you guys have anything else maybe you guys would like me to do or need help with, maybe send me a message, send me a comment, and I'll gladly try to to help you out to do those extra jobs, the jobs that you don't have to pay to, at least to fix yourself and not go pay at the dealer shops. Yeah, and this is 2010 Volvo d13 turn signal switch that we're fixing. So just to kind of come back, remember not to tie it up all tight, and you're gonna break the cover. And that should do it, guys. Thank you again. This is a CTC. Thank you very much. If you like video, please add a like or just comment. And just to kind of got this little plastic that goes through here. But thank you again, and we'll see you soon. Bye.